Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about overcome COVID-19 together. My name is Sumitaka Maruyama from Quantum Operation Link. Okay, let's get started. These days, COVID-19 pandemic is in the world, and we can enable surge capacity with our solution. Our solution is vital signs can be collected remotely without nurse having to visit patients, and our system send caution to medical practitioners when vital signs is serious. It can reduce exposure to infection and concentrate on critical patients to use their ability. With a vital sensor, they can monitor respiration rate, saturated oxygen, and cough rate. Some researchers reported that these vital signs have strong correlation with COVID-19, so they need a device and can enable early diagnosis before they become worse. On a business model, customer is hospital and local government and quarantine facilities, and user is patient. One of our investor is big Japanese medical wholesale company. They have strong sales channel. We'll sell not only hardware but also software together and sell as subscription. COVID-19 will end in a few years. Do we finish our company? Of course not. Our device is not only for COVID-19, but also mainly target for the sleep apnea syndrome screening. Our sensor can monitor saturation oxygen every minute and can detect suspicion of sleep apnea before exact diagnosis. Sleep apnea syndrome is widely spread all over the world and number of patients is up to 900 million. Every 1 in 8 people is patient. It's big numbers. At first, we think Apple Watch or Fitbit, big famous brand for wearable device, seems as competitors. But they are not aiming at medical because of risk and market size. On the other hand, some companies are trying to develop wearable to monitor vital signs remote for medical. But target diseases for a device is different from competitors, and also we are now trying to add new functions. For development status, our prototype is already done, but mass production is next stage. And we are now developing to add new functions like world-first non-invasive blood glucose detection in the near future. This photo shows our first prototype for non-invasive sensors for the glucometer. The reason why we want to develop non-invasive glucometer. Do you know there are many small children who suffer diabetes? They cannot produce insulin in their body. They have to need finger pricking to monitor glucose many times in every day, every week for their whole life. With our development non-invasive technology, we can remove their pain as soon as possible. I will mention about funding status. Our current funding status is Series A, finished at January 2020 and funded about $10 million US. As a strong partner, we have a capital alliance with Taisho Pharmaceutical, one of the leading pharmaceutical companies in Japan, and also have an alliance with Alfresa, one of Japanese largest medical wholesalers. Our team members are 20 now. I will introduce of some. Our hardware engineer Komata has expertise in circuit design to reduce power consumption and experience in designing small devices for many years. Our software engineer Ryu has great experience in healthcare application. Our data science Tanaka has knowledge about modeling design and AI analysis. Our management team, CEO Kato and me, have many experience in operating startup companies. Our team members have various backgrounds and go to achieve a goal in one team. In our advisory board, Mr. Kubota has many experience in medical wearable device Nihon Koden, famous Japanese medical device corporation, and he is called father of vital sensor. Mr. Ichikawa has many experience and strong connection in medical and healthcare as a former executive in pharmaceutical company. We have many affiliated hospitals and doctors in Japan. We will raise our next funding round in the fourth quarter of this year 2020. We will raise money to expand mass production and invest to future development. Thanks to Orange Pub Asia, we are honored to win at Tokyo Demo Day. Finally, we strongly support medical practitioners and fight with COVID-19. Thank you for your attention.